Hey guys, today we are going to start adding stuff to the walls. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Remember, you need to have a ruler for this part. So you're going to connect a line to the vanishing point, like so, for the top of whatever you're adding to the wall. And then if it ends on the floor, you can go to the floor, but if not, you need to add a bottom line that also goes back to the vanishing point. Then I will add my parallels. So I'm gonna make two because I wanna make this a window. These lines are parallel to like the edge of your paper or the walls towards the back. And then because I wanted to do a window, I wanted to do the lines in the middle to show like a window pane. These are also gonna go back to the vanishing point, like so. And remember, use a ruler when you go back to your vanishing point. I'm using an app to straighten my lines out. You guys gotta use a ruler. Then I did my second parallel line in the middle, which is also parallel to the page. Then you can erase all the lines that you do not need. Here I'm going to go over to the other side and draw an example of like a TV. So again, it's hanging on the wall. I'm going to connect it back to my vanishing point. I'm going to make some straight lines all the way back to my vanishing point. Then I have to cut my shape out, so I'm making my parallel lines. Again, these are parallel to the page or your back wall. And I made mine a little bit big, so I'm kind of shrinking it down a little bit. I'm gonna erase some extra lines that I don't need. And then for this, I'm gonna try to turn this one into a TV. Still erasing the lines back to the vanishing point. Hence why on all of these guys, please make sure that you draw light till you get it right. I added a little bit of width for the TV. You can make it thick or thin. I kind of ended up making it a lot thinner than I wanted, but you can make a pretty thick TV if you want. And then after that, I go ahead and add some details on the inside. Make sure your details make sense. Like the screen kind of has to angle in that TV because the top of the TV angles down. So make sure you do that. I don't know, speakers, a button, whatever you want to do. Next, we're gonna draw something to the floor. So this would be a carpet. So I go ahead and make the sides of the carpet, and the sides of the carpet are going to go back to the vanishing point, kind of angling with the room. And for a carpet, it's really easy. You only need one parallel because your carpet's kind of gonna go out. And that is parallel to the bottom of the floor of your back wall. I'm drawing lines to show you. So it's parallel with that line right there. Then you can go ahead and erase those lines that you used to create the carpet. And after that, you can add any kind of image you want on the carpet. So you can do designs, patterns. You can just color the carpet solid if you want. That's up to you. Lastly, I'm going to do something on the ceiling because sometimes you can have like a sun or moon roof, whatever you want to call it. You can add designs on the ceiling, a poster, it's up to you. So you're going to do your lines back to the vanishing point, and see mine wasn't straight, so I'm fixing it. These are the edges, and then just like a carpet, you only need one parallel, and it's parallel with the top of the ceiling line on the back wall. And then I'm going to make this into like a moon roof, so I'm going to add the lines for a window. Those lines go back to the vanishing point, and then I add in lines of parallel or parallelness. Oh, that's a bad word. Okay, I don't know. Grammar is hard, guys. But lines that are parallel with the lines you did in the beginning. And that is how you are going to create this. And then you're going to come back in and add your or erase the lines that you do not need, and then you can add the details. But this would be for adding anything to the walls, floor, or ceiling. Good luck, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.